Today is a peaceful march because that is what our teachings tell us to do. So we'll begin the march heading this way. We will march down towards Portage. We will cross at Portage and make our way to Parliament.
Can I ask you about how you're feeling about carrying that flag today? On the specifically the Canadian flag, specifically how people are feeling today? Is that a Canadian flag now?
Yeah, it's a Canadian flag. It's got blood on it.
Oh, I see. So why'd you put the blood on it?
Well, enough blood's been spilled. It's to represent the blood spilled at the residential schools. The blood spilled by Canada. There's figuratively there's already blood on the flag, so I put my own blood on this flag.
Is there something you'd like to tell people who are not, who probably wouldn't be aware of this actually happening, and perhaps those who are more inclined to celebrate Canada Day as a national holiday?
How can I say this? They need to make Canada into a country that they can celebrate, and right now it's not a country they can celebrate. If they want to be proud to be Canadian, there's nothing wrong with being proud to be Canadian, but make Canada something to be proud of first before you go ahead and start celebrating. There's nothing to celebrate right now. There's so much shame that's come to light. We've known about it for many, many generations. Finally, people are starting to believe us. Finally, people are starting to understand us. Finally, people see the truth.
Can I ask you about the picture you're holding up?
That's a picture of my mom. She's a residential school survivor also. She passed away in '69, and then I became a 60 Scoop survivor myself. So, yeah, she's making the walk with me today. Sorry. Yeah, she's making the walk with me today. Thank you.
Alors, nous partirons dans quelques minutes. Nous allons direction là. Et puis, quand nous allons arriver au Parlement, nous allons sur le gazon est. Et ensuite, nous allons recevoir nos aînés pour parler.
So if you're in front of the Eagle staff, you are in the wrong place. So everyone will be behind the Eagle staff, and then the Algonquin books and banners. And so we're just going to get ready to start in a few seconds.
Can I ask you why you're so upset right now? You feel like...
I'm hurting for my people. I'm hurting for the kids. I'm so thankful for the kids, that suffered for me to be here today. For all of us to be standing here together with everybody. Look at this. You can't ask for anything better. You can't.
Daddy! No, go in. Less than 10 though. Like 5 kilometers an hour.
pride in genocide! No pride in genocide! No pride in genocide! No pride in genocide!
Everyone clear the gates. That means you too. Please clear the gates. Please clear the gates.
To the side, please.
All right.
One side or the other.
Over here to please clear space. We are going to allow the Eagle staff to go first, and then we will ask the elders and survivors, but this path needs to be cleared.
So which trail do you want for them? Here or there? Do you want both ways open for you guys?
All right.
This side, Duke. Yeah. Everybody on this side. Move. Off to the side, please. Off to the side, please. Move back, please. Move back, please. No, they're not open.
Everyone clear the way. Clear the way, please. Everyone. Please clear the way.
Which side do you want to go on? That side?
Yeah.
Okay. Là, on s'en va là. Keep telling them. Please clear.
Please clear the way.
Please clear.
Please.
further out. Okay, come in. Go this way, then come back in. Right over here.
Do the whole circle?
Just a little U-turn, just a little U-turn.
And today, I am emotional with tears because you came out to be with us. We're not alone. So to all you Canadians from wherever you've come from, thank you for being here with us, and you must remain. Your voice, please use your voice. You have a voice. Use it to question. Question, why was this history buried? Why was this history never told?